Good morning, students. We are doing chapter 2 of civics, constitutional design. In this chapter, we have seen about the policy of apartheid segregation in South Africa. After that, we have seen the making of the constitution in South Africa, how black and white came together to form a new constitution. After that, we have seen the making of the constitution in India. Why do we need a constitution? What is constitution? Now, in this lecture we will see about the guiding values of the Indian constitution. Here you can see the pictures of the constitution makers. Baldev Singh, different pictures you have seen. G. Gurabai Deshmukh, Durgabai Deshmukh, and Jaipal Singh, H.C. Mukherjee. These are the pictures of Rajendra Prasad and T.T. Krishnamachari, Abdul Kalam Azad. These are the pictures of different people who helped in the making of the constitution. Now you will see about the philosophy of the constitution. In this book, we shall study the exact provision of the constitution on different subjects. We can do this in two ways. At this stage, let us begin with by understanding the overall philosophy of what our constitution is all about. Means हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में कौन से आइडियाज़ हैं, क्या फ़िलोसफी हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ली गई है. दिस इज़ व्हाट प्रियम्बल टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डज. और ये चीज़ कि हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में क्या है, ये हमें किससे पता चलता है? प्रियम्बल से. व्हाट डज preamble contains about the philosophy of the constitution. Let us turn to these one by one. The dream and the promise. Some of you have noticed a name missing from the sketches of the makers of the constitution. आपने यहाँ पर sketches देखे हैं different constitution makers के, but यहाँ पर आप एक चीज़ मिस की है. वो किसका sketch है? महात्मा गांधी का. महात्मा गांधी was not a member of the constitution assembly. Yet there were many members who followed his vision. वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली के मेंबर नहीं थे, फिर भी उनके कई आइडिया जो है वो फॉलो किया गया है. Writing in his magazine Young India in 1931, he had spelled out what he wanted the constitution to do. 1930 में यंग इंडिया में उन्होंने लिखा कि वो क्या चाहते हैं कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कैसा हो, क्या करे. यहाँ पर गांधी जी के आइडियाज दिए गए हैं. दिस ड्रीम ऑफ एन इंडिया दैट हैज एलिमिनेटेड इनइक्वालिटी वाज शेयर्ड बाय डॉक्टर Ambedkar, who played a key role in the making of the constitution, but had a different understanding of how inequalities could be removed. Both Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, both of them wanted to eliminate inequality, but their ideas were different to eliminate inequalities. He often bitterly criticized Mahatma Gandhi and his vision. Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar had not same views. Their views were different to eliminate the inequality. In his concluding speech to the Constituent Assembly, he stated the anxiety very clearly. You can see the speech of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. और अपनी इस स्पीच में उन्होंने बहुत ही क्लियरली कहा है कि नो डाउट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अकॉर्डिंग वी हैव गेन पॉलिटिकल इक्वालिटी, बट social and economic equality yet we have to achieve. In society there is social and economic inequality. The people, those who are lower caste, they had faced discrimination, and still there is not social and economic inequality. No doubt, according to constitution, we have gained political equality. Finally, let us turn to Jawaharlal Nehru giving his famous speech to the Constituent Assembly at the stroke of midnight on 15th August 1947. Here you can see the speech of Jawaharlal Nehru, and after that we will see about the philosophy of the constitution. Values that inspired and guided the freedom struggle and were in turn nurtured by it formed the foundation for India's democracy. What are these values? These values are in the preamble of the Indian Constitution. They guide all the articles of the Indian Constitution. The Constitution begins with a short statement of its basic values. हमारा जो Constitution है वो स्टार्ट ही इन बेसिक वैल्यूज़ की शॉर्ट स्टेटमेंट से होता है. This is called the preamble. So now what is preamble? The constitution begins with a short statement of its basic values, and this is called preamble. Taking inspiration from American model, most countries in the contemporary world have chosen to begin their constitution with a preamble. From where we have taken the idea of preamble? We have taken the idea of preamble from American model, and like we other countries also have followed the same model. They have started their constitution with the preamble. So you can see that these are the words of our preamble. We the people of India. Let us read the preamble of our constitution very carefully and understand the meaning of each of its key words. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thoughts, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. So, these are the philosophy, or these are the key values of our constitution. You can see here, we the people of India, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, justice, liberty, and equality, fraternity. So what is the meaning of sovereign? People have supreme right to make decision on internal as well as external matters. Socialist means wealth is generated socially and should be shared equally by society. सोसाइटी के अंदर वेल्थ का डिवीजन जो है इक्वल होगा. गवर्नमेंट शुड रेगुलेट द ऑनरशिप ऑफ लैंड एंड इंडस्ट्री टू रिड्यूस सोशो इकोनॉमिक इनइक्वालिटी. सोशल और इकोनॉमिक इनइक्वालिटी को रिड्यूस करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट लैंड और ऑनरशिप का रिडिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेगी. सेक्युलर मीन्स इंडियन पीपल आर फ्री टू फॉलो एनी रिलीजन. देयर इज नो official state religion. People are free to follow any religion. Democratic, a form of government where people enjoy equal political rights and elect their rulers and hold them accountable. We have already seen the definition of democratic. Now republic, when the head of the government is an elected person. Justice means citizen cannot be discriminated on the ground of caste, religion and gender. Law applies equally on all the people. Liberty, there are no unreasonable restrictions on the citizen in what they think, how they wish to express their thoughts. The people are free to express their views. And equality means all are equal before the law. There should be no discrimination on the behalf of religion, caste, place and sex. So fraternity, all of us should behave as if we are member of the same family. No one should treat a fellow citizen as inferior. So you have seen the wordings of our preamble. So the preamble of the constitution reads like a poem on democracy. It contains the philosophy on which the entire constitution has been built. It provides a standard to examine and evaluate any law and action of government to find out whether it is good or bad. It is the soul of the Indian Constitution. What is called the soul of Indian Constitution? Preamble. And why it is called the soul of Indian Constitution? Because it provides a standard to examine and evaluate any law and action of government to find whether it is good or bad. So dear students, you have seen the wordings of preamble, you have seen about the philosophy of the Indian Constitution. These are the wordings of the philosophy of Indian Constitution. Finally, last we will see about the institutional design. A constitution is not merely a statement of values and philosophy. Constitution में केवल values और philosophy नहीं होती. As we noted above, a constitution is mainly about embodying these values in the institutional arrangement. When we are going to arrange institutional design, that time we have to keep these values in mind. Much of the document called Constitution of India is about these arrangement. Means हमारे जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं वो इस अरेंजमेंट के बारे में बताते हैं। क्या है ये इंस्टीट्यूशनल डिज़ाइन, कि इन कंट्री के अंदर वर्किंग करने के लिए कौन कौन से इंस्टीट्यूशंस होंगे। जैसे आपको पता है लेजिस्लेचर, एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड जुडिशरी, दीज आर द इंस्टीट्यूशंस। It is a very long and detailed document. Therefore, it needs to be amended quite regularly to keep it updated. बेटा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है, आपने देखा कि ये एक बहुत ही लंबा डॉक्यूमेंट है और इसको बने 70 ईयर्स से भी ज़्यादा हो गए हैं। टाइम चेंज होता है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग रिक्वायरमेंट भी चेंज होते हैं। दैट्स वाई इट इज़ very important that there should be the possibility of the amendment in the constitution. Those who crafted the Indian constitution felt that it has to be in accordance with people's aspirations and change in society. So सोसाइटी के अंदर चेंज आता है, लोगों के एस्पिरेशंस में चेंज आता है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में भी अमेंडमेंट्स का प्रोविज़न होना चाहिए। दे डू नॉट सी इट एज अ सेक्युलर, स्टैटिक एंड अनअल्टरेबल लॉ, कि ये एक स्थिर या ऐसा लॉ नहीं होना चाहिए जिसमें कि चेंजेस पॉसिबल ना हो। सो दे मेड प्रोविजंस टू इनकॉर्पोरेट चेंजेस फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम। सो देर आर प्रोविजंस इन आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन टू मेक चेंजेस from time to time, and these changes are called constitutional amendments. So what are constitutional amendments? The changes which occurred in our constitution from time to time, if there is any requirement of these changes, it is called constitutional amendment. The constitution describes the institutional arrangement in a very legal language. कैसे लीगल लैंग्वेज में? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में क्लियरली बताया गया है कि Indian Constitution lays down a procedure for choosing persons to govern the country. It defines who will have how much power to take which decision. Clearly हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में एक्सप्लेन किया गया है कि मेजर डिसीजंस लेने की पावर किसके पास है, and it puts limit to what the government can do by providing some rights to the citizens that cannot be violated. हमें फंडामेंटल राइट्स प्रोवाइड किए गए हैं और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अकॉर्डिंग गवर्नमेंट ऐसा कोई भी काम नहीं कर सकती जो हमारे फंडामेंटल राइट्स को हर्ट करता हो। द रिमेनिंग 3 चैप्टर्स इन दिस बुक you are about these 3 aspects of working of Indian Constitution. What are these? These are about the legislature, judiciary, executive and other system. So today we have completed our chapters and these are few keywords. Please do these keywords in your fair notebook. You have done, all of you are familiar about that clause, constitutional assembly, constitution, constitutional amendment. Recently we have done draft, philosophy, the wordings of the preambles, the values. These are the most fundamental principle underlying one's thought and action. Preamble and introductory statement in a constitution which states the reason and guiding value of the constitution. Present, you know, twice also you are familiar about it. Here are some exercise. I will send you the pic of these exercise whether these are required. These are multiple choice questions, and if there are any long answer questions like this, how did your school celebrate the Constitutional Assembly, you frame the answer of these questions your own. Here you can see here are different opinion about what made India a democracy. How much importance will you give to each of these factors? These two questions you have done your own, all these 9 and 10. 8, 9 and 10. 7 also, and I will send you the pic of these questions, these multiple choice questions. Okay students, goodbye. If you have any query then you can call me on my personal number. Goodbye.